locks and keys. How does a key unlock a door? Inside a lock are a lot of tiny pins with springs. When you put the right key in, all the pins come up in a line. Then you can turn the key. When that happens, you can open the door. Without the key or without the right key, the door does not open at all. Let us see what these pins are. You know what a normal lock looks like. This lock is also called a padlock. There's a special hole for the key to go in. The key has a rough edge too. What does this lock look like on the inside when there is no key inside? Something like this. As you can see, the pins are all at different places. They are not at the shear line. So, the lock cannot open. What happens when you put in the wrong key? The key pushes the pins in different ways. The pins are still not at the shear line, so the lock will not open. What happens when you put in the right key? If it's the right key, all the pins come in one line. Then the key can turn the lock and open it. Each spring is called a spring or a lever. So, when you hear the word 7-lever lock, you know what it means. It just means 7 pins and springs inside the lock. The 2 keys that come with the lock will have the exact same pattern on the edge. But then look at a different lock. Even if it is still a 7-lever lock, the pattern on the key will be different. That is why the key of one lock cannot open another lock. People who understand locks can open up a paper clip and put it in, carefully push the pins inside the right way and open the lock. It's not very difficult to learn how to do it. More levers in the lock make it harder to open the lock. But many people can still do it. If you ever get locked out of your house, what do? You ask a locksmith to come to your house and make a key for you in 15 minutes. So, don't think that just because you have a lock, it means things are really safe inside.